So I would like to know that what thought you had in your mind and what made you, create this kind of ecosystem and platform for women. Over to you, Ruchi.
Thank you for the question, Sonam. And Janvi, thank you for sharing. And I would just echo what just, Janvi shared, that how her journey had so many learnings, right from having a team. So for to have a team that support you, you need to build that team. To have a business that you can scale up, you need to initiate and you need to have trust in your business and in your vision. So as a 20-year-old, when I started my business, coming from upper middle class family, I faced similar kind of issues. How I was hiring my friends and I was wondering, how do I manage that relationship of being a friend and being a boss. I was dealing with clients and I was shying away, asking them that please clear up your dues, because even I am running business, cash flow is important. I was looking at structuring my work process, the organizational structure, and I was failing at it. And I was kind of realizing that every step that I was taking, something wasn't okay. But I kept progressing until one day when I actually got an opportunity to participate in a program by Goldman Sachs. It's a 10K women program where I was sitting with ISB professors and they were teaching us some specifics and basics about business. And then I realized that if when you get access to information, making decisions becomes so easy, choosing becomes so easy. And I realized that if I can create a space where people can opt to get informed about, you can then use your wisdom. And that's exactly what hen does. So hen is a platform to bring Indian women entrepreneurs together. We work on three verticals: inspire, inform, and support. And this is exactly what any entrepreneur needs. So like Janvi said, entrepreneurship is a lonely journey. I'm sure all the entrepreneurs here would understand and relate to that. We do go through those times when everything seems a question and you just want to share it and you don't know whom to share with. You can't probably share it with your closest friend or your family sometimes, right? And there a peer may just pitch in. So what you need is just some information, some talking, some conversation, and that's what inspiration is. Information is when you get access, some basics of business, how to scale up, what things to look at. You can talk to people. For example, if I know Janvi and if I can go back and ask her, learn from her experience, or I can ask her what kind of things I need to take care of my data on tech platform. That's exactly what hen does. That's information. We do workshops around business, and support is where we partner with other organizations and bring their opportunities and mentorships to our members. So Sonam, the reason to create hen was my own problem, because as an entrepreneur I was seeking these areas of conversation. I wanted to learn from others. I wanted somebody to mentor me. I wanted to go and share my business idea with people, and I realized if there could be a platform to do this, why not? And like the quote here says, coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. That's exactly what we do at hen. So yeah.
Wow.